Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Well, today we are going to review our trending Hedgehold expert advisor, and it has completed 2 months today. And here are the results. As you can see, we reached at 849,505.88. That is almost 850 K from a deposit of 100K in a span of 2 months. And this is how the expert advisor used to open and close the trades. These are some live trades going on right now. These are the live trades, but not on a real money account. This is on a demo account, but these are the live trades, no back testing, and everything is in front of you. Okay. And this expert advisor used to open or take the entry and exit using buy stop and sell stop. Okay. And let's go to that how we reach to this journey at this level from in a span of 2 months by sharing account history. So this is the account history. We started on 11th of May and today is 10th of July. We completed 2 months today. With a deposit of 100K we started. 100K one can use even on a good account with a good broker. Even a cent account will do. Even the proportion of the profit would not be the same. Even two accounts of a same broker would not be the same. Okay, so nothing would be the same. It could be better or it could be a little lower. In these kind of market conditions, the expert advisor was able to sustain and provided very good say almost 750% returns in a span of 2 months, right, where we are today. Okay, and these are the running trades right now. Market seems to be a little slow. However, Friday is very volatile, but there are some holidays of few of the countries. So maybe that is the reason the market is a little slow. But this is how the expert advisor used to open the trades. While these trades are going on, let's analyze MyFXBook. The MyFXBook page has been provided in the video description. You can just check it out, and here you can check each and everything, that what is the daily, what is the monthly, how much drawdown, the maximum drawdown so far, and even here you can see the deposit, right? And you can see where we started from May 11 and July 10, that is today. Okay, and you can see how the growth has happened in a span of 2 months. This is how the balance has grown in the span of 2 months, and this is how the profit has grown in last 2 months, right? And this is about the drawdown, the maximum drawdown that happened probably on June 10. You can check it out, each and everything you can find it over here. Okay, the maximum drawdown happened was 66.68%. That happened on 10th of June, and everything else stayed between less than 20%, as you can check it over here, right? So even you can check all these statistics as well as the running trades. However, it takes some time. It takes a few hours to update, but yes, you can check each and everything over here. Even the monthly gain, how much the monthly gain was there. Okay, accumulative. So this MyFXBook link has been provided in the video description. You can check it out and you can check each and everything out here. And if you have any query, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. So we are back on our trading panel, and the market seems slow, right? And we are about to, the US market is about to open, then we might see some volatility. However, Friday used to be volatile, that I experienced in last couple of years. Anyways, this is how the expert advisor used to work. In case if you have any query, you can contact me on email or Telegram. Everything else is in the video description. Please check it out and feel free to contact me. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much, and we have completed 2 months today. That's a good milestone, and hope like it will continue further. So that's pretty much it. Take care, stay safe. and talk to you soon with more updates on this expert advisor as well as the upcoming gold expert advisor that we are working on. And we will keep you posted how this expert advisor used to perform more and more in coming weeks and coming days. Thank you very much.